guys, it's Tammy, and I have an unboxing to do, and I think I might know what it is, but I'm not positive, and it's funny if it is because I was just talking about this, saying that I'm surprised it's not here yet, and it is! So, I ordered some stuff online, and I don't even know the name of the company. There is an invoice, so I will show you guys that just a second. Let me take this out. Okay, the name of the company is KATTY Story. K-A-T-T-Y-S, or Katty's Story, yeah. K-A-T-T-Y-S-T-O-R-Y. If you go there, you can find them. And all of this stuff was on sale, and I actually bought duplicates of everything, one for me and one for my daughter. So I'm going to open mine. First thing I got is a pair of boots. And it's great that it arrived because Katie is still here for break. So these are suede boots with a cute cuff that looks woolly. And then you can also wear them up like that. They're very cute. And hopefully they will fit. Oh, well, it won't fit with the stuff in it. All sorts of stuff in it. Sorry guys, I'm trying. I'm just folding this back up again. And so the fur, it's lined with fur as well, but it's a different fur. And yeah, the lining goes throughout, even on the bottom. I need to take off my thick sock. Just gotta get it over my heel and it's on. There we go. Oh yeah. Those are cute. Oh gosh. Let's see if I can show you. Very cute. Very comfortable. Actually really comfortable, so I am super excited about these. I was worried about them because you never know when you order stuff like that if it's truly going to fit or not. I have some yarn down here that I need to take upstairs. Okay, let me get this bag. I'm going to use this as a trash bag, and I just noticed that it's like a Ziploc bag. I could have opened it a much better way, but I did not. So these are a size 10, and they seem to be true to fit. So yeah, so far so good. I don't know what size this is, or even what it is. Well, Katie got she got a tan color, which I also like, but I wear a lot of black and I needed black. And hers is a size 7, I believe. And it's a 38, I guess, in whatever this is. But I will let her try hers on and open hers up. But hers are very pretty too. I just wanted the black for me, and I am very happy with them. Very happy. Well, it looks like there's only one of these, which is weird. Because I ordered 2 of everything. But so this is just a white shirt. Or actually it's a cover-up. Not even a cover-up. It's like a little cardigan or jacket or something. And it just fits over. And then it has some fringe on the bottom, just in the front. I'm going to take off this little thing and try to put that on. Let's see. Now I did order an extra extra large because I do know that stuff from China is really small. So this was the biggest they had. The arms are really tight. Ugh. Oh, this doesn't fit. Help me, help me. Yeah, this is weird. I'm sure that I could play with it a little more and make it work a little better than it is, but it is really tight in the arms and I am not digging it. And it kind of smells funny. So I should have stopped at the shoes. The shoes were nice. The shirt, not so much. Ugh. Maybe if I wash it, it'll smell better, but it would probably stink, so, or probably shrink. So this is a no bueno. Now Katty's may fit her. She's small, little girl. She's not a little girl. She's a small young woman. And in the picture, this was cuter than it is even in real life, honestly. I mean, it's all right, but it's not that cute. And there's a button over here that you can't see because it's washed out, but there is a button over here. And I think that this is supposed to go over, but I can't even find the buttonhole. So I don't even know how well it works, but there's that. I'll probably send that to Goodwill. And then I ordered 2 more things. Well, a shirt for her and a shirt for me. This is probably going to be the same. So this is the long-sleeved shirt that I can tell already is too small for me. And I don't really like it either. I mean, this is a big ol'... I mean, it'd be fine if it fit. I'd probably wear it under something. But it is not that cute. And it is certainly not an extra extra large for sure. I kind of like actually this a little bit now that I see it up, but yeah, it's probably more like a medium in our sizes. Excuse me. And it's making me sneeze. Not really, but the shoes are nice. I still have the one on and it doesn't hurt me at all. So yeah, okay, so this one is, I even got Katty a medium because usually she wears a small, but because I know that their sizes are so weird. So I got her the same black shirt and I got her the same white shirt. So I'll let her open those and see what she thinks. But at least I got cute shoes. And shipping did take a few weeks. I thought that I would get these before Christmas. I had hoped that I would get these before Christmas and I did not. So yeah, shop at your own risk. Know that their sizing is not American sizing, so order up. Their shoe sizing seems to be okay because it does say US size, and then I mean shoe sizes, what can you do? But the clothing sizes leaves a bit to be desired. But check them out and see what you think. Bye-bye.